Whoa. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I'm gonna be talking about how depressing school is. I'm sure you're excited. No, just kidding. Today I have a package from Basic Fun. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's open this thing up. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. In here we have a Cakepop Cutie thing. So here's this one. And here's this set. And then we have two super big Cakepop Cuties. These smell amazing. And then we have 5 Cakepop Cuties, but these are like the smaller version. Oh my god, they smell so good. I wish you guys could smell through the camera. And then we have 5 poopies. Let's open all this. Now I'm gonna open the mini Cakepop Cuties. Okay guys, so these are scented. They have like a little character inside and a little treat to squish. Oh my god, wait, this is a little popsicle. He smells so good. I think it's a little like ramp. Whoa, he's so soft. It's basically a squishy, but I think you can put it on top of your pencils. And now I'm gonna open the pink one. Whoa, so this one came with like a little jello looking thing. Guys, I got like a little koala. So this one's like super, super cute. And this is the little food it comes with. This is the other white one. So this one comes with like a little strawberry tart thing. Oh wait, it's an ice cream cone. And then it's like a chocolate dipped strawberry. This one's really nice. And now I'm gonna open the green one. Crab cake! It's a cake on top of a crab. That's so cute. And this one came with a little flower charm. This is the orange one. I love the charm that comes with this one. This one has a little donut. It's also really soft and squishy. Now I think I'm gonna open the poopies. Okay, so these are little pencil toppers. It's made to look like a roll of toilet paper, which I think is really funny. So in the first one, I got this little like ninja dude. And then I got this little like bowl, I guess. And now let's open this one. So they all come with really funny names. So I got this little one with the party hat. Oh my god, it's like a little Frankenstein. And then I got like a little snail. And then I got this like, I don't know, like rapper dude thing. This little yellow drop dude. So now I'm gonna open these Cakepop Cuties. And these are series 1. So this one says it comes with Cream Puff, the dog, Sprinkles, but then it also comes with 3 mystery figures. Whoa, he's so squishy and he's adorable. Oh my god, this reminds me of the little poopies. It's like the same material as them. And it's also a pencil topper. Now I'm gonna open this little blue package. It's another one of like the little poopy kind of thing. This one's a little dog. And then we got another one of those, which is also a little dog. And then this one is another squishy. Oh, it's like a little cinnamon bun. This one's also really squishy. This is the kitty family. It comes with Strawberry Short Cat and Kitty Berry. And then 3 more mystery figures. Here's this one. And then here's Strawberry Short Cat. I like love this one. It's so cute. So now let's open the little mini figures. Oh, this one's so cute. Oh, this one's really cute too. It's like another strawberry one. And now it's time to open the squishy. Oh my god, this one's adorable. It's like a little orange cat and it's super soft. So now it's time to open the jumbo Cakepop Cuties. So these are twice the size of regular cake pops and have twice the surprises. So there are 7 things in here. Whoa, oh my god. Guys, They're little marshmallows. They're so cute and they're so soft and squishy. Whoa, these are slow rising. And then we get a little teacup. And then there's a lollipop and another like strawberry dipped in chocolate. So that's everything in that one. So now I'm gonna open up this one. So here they are. They're like little twins, I guess. I can't tell if they're penguins or narwhals or uninar penguins. A little ice cream cone with a popsicle and another ice cream cone. So they have all these toys in most stores, or you can go to CAKEPOPcuties.com or basicfun.com. I'll have all of their links down in the description box if you want to check them out. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below which thing I got was your favorite. I love you guys so much. Bye!